Catherine Bernardo update. Behind the scene for Realme. Ito yung video.
Hey Scott, this is Kat. Come join me to the Realme 14 Series 5G photoshoot.
Yun. Yung photoshoot. Yung Realme 14 Series 5G ni Catherine Bernardo. Solid yan. Sinut yan sa studio ni Catherine. Kasama ang kanyang team. Ang ganda ni Catherine. Ang ganda ng mga shot.
And that's a wrap!
Yan.
Realme 14 Series 5G. So clear, so powerful.
For Realme ni Catherine. At sinupresa rin si Catherine and during taping ng Pilipinas Got Talent, and sinupresa siya ng mga fans niya dyan. Nanonood ng taping. And dahil 2 days na lang, birthday na ni Catherine. Advance happy birthday kay Catherine. And during taping, sa likod pa lang ni Catherine, nandiyan na yung mga fans niya. Nakasuporta kay Catherine. Kasama rin yung mga judges ng Pilipinas Got Talent. And si Dar, may picture din kay Catherine.
Anxiety!
Ito yung highlights ni Catherine sa post niya for bench body of work. And during rehearsal, saka yung mga kaganapan, bench body of work, the bench show.
No more job.
Ito sa mga inabangan niya si Catherine.
No homo, blue brand, no beautiful, you my best friend, fashion head no.
Ang grabe si Catherine dyan Pang pinali. Congrats, Catherine. And bench. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.